Hi all, this is my physical education interactive newsletter. Being active is a lifestyle. Here we have the choosemyplate.gov icon, and you can click on this link right here and it'll take you to the website, and just click the back arrow and it'll take you back. And this is discussing how the Choose My Plate has replaced the old food pyramid and how important it is to make healthy choices and have a well-balanced diet. And then here are some individual and family resources that I thought were fun and interesting. Down here, some fun facts about stretching, warm-ups, and cool downs, and I've got a link here that you can click on. And up top here again, we have my husband and my son and my daughter playing t-ball in our backyard, just getting out and being physically active. And then down here it discusses how the recommended amount of physical activity for children is 60 minutes per day and 30 minutes per day for adults, and how engaging in physical activity really does benefit us as a family, as well as it helps prevent some major health concerns, helps combat that. And here's the link for some more information on that. And then down here is the book that I chose, Why Should I Eat Well? The Why Should I Eat, or the Why Should I series are one of my children's favorites, just discussing different topics that are relatable to kids. And this one's discussing why should they eat well and the benefits of that, and also the consequences of not eating well. It was very good. My kids loved it. And here is also a link where you can purchase this book. So I hope you enjoyed my newsletter and have a great day.